Welcome to the future of gardening, where you can have a thriving garden right in the comfort of your own home. Introducing the Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. It's a game changer, designed with innovation, efficiency, and your convenience in mind. With a whopping 60 pods, this hydroponic system is ready to bring a lush green paradise to your home. The system features 2 layers of growing goodness. The upper level boasts of an 8-liter tank, perfect for cultivating leafy greens such as lettuce, basil, mint, and many more. And here's a fantastic feature. You can easily monitor the water level through a transparent window and add water as necessary when it goes below the 8-liter mark. But here's where the magic happens. This indoor garden accelerates plant growth like you won't believe. We're talking 3 times faster growth and a 40% higher yield. It's all thanks to the quiet water circulation system that ensures your plants get the right nutrients and hydration they need to thrive. And we didn't stop there. We've included a smart socket, making it easy to set the light's working time. Your plants will thank you when they get that perfect light balance. Our full-spectrum grow light mimics natural sunlight, perfect for a variety of plants at all growth stages. It's like giving your plants a dose of sunshine whenever they need it. What's more, the height of the upper and lower lights can be adjusted to accommodate plants at different growth stages, ensuring they absorb all that energy and grow beautifully. Assembly is a breeze. Just add water and nutrient. No need to worry, it's low maintenance. We've designed it with a vertical structure so it won't hog your space. And with universal wheels, you have the freedom to place this aeroponic grow system anywhere you want. No limitations. It's not just about growing your favorite herbs or veggies. This hydroponic system is ideal for seedling cultivation and transplantation. Start your seedlings here and transplant them into soil when they're ready. It's all about nurturing healthy plants from the get-go. The Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System is more than a garden. It's a lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your gardening journey, this system has something to offer you. Don't miss this opportunity to bring the future of gardening into your home. Get your Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System today. Me. Questions or assistance, our dedicated team is here to help. Contact us for pre-order or after-sales service. Your satisfaction is our priority. Start growing smarter, faster, and greener with the Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Order now and embark on your gardening adventure.